Hi, I'm Zora Chang, ReJoule's business co-founder and CFO. I'm going to quickly walk you through how our module tester works. Our current customers are using this to test batteries for repair and to assess the health of used electric vehicle batteries for repurposing. In both cases, we're replacing the status quo where the testing can take hours. This is one of the module testers we use in-house. The green box is a used battery module from an electric truck. Here you can see my technical co-founder connecting the plus and minus terminals to our device. Once connected, our software platform can run the test. This is fast-forwarded, but our full test is 10 minutes, but can be as short as 30 seconds. You get real-time results. It's currently showing a Nyquist plot, which is how we interpret the data, but the UI can be adjusted based on customer needs. We're launching a new battery database soon where our customers can see all their historical data by batteries, battery type, by ReJoule devices, down to the EIS test, and even create their own projects.